The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Designate someone to be the ascertained regent. There will be sorrow in the dharmas you perceive, and your life will be over before its time. After you have ruined your own spirit and those of others, you will surely fall onto the Vajra needle. The royal investiture that is sure is secret. So once we have been imparted with the empowerment of the bodhicitta, it will shine out by itself in an unsought fruition. It is right at this moment that awareness dawns. We will be wise in the Vajra Tantra. An awareness will arise within us that we have been empowered with royal investiture. We will immerse ourselves in the significance of self-luminous wisdom. One who is skilled in methods and has compassion teaches the significance of unborn awareness to the self-luminous awareness of those who are fit recipients, then imparts the empowerment of the vase of royal investiture. He must be earnest about what he has ascertained to be secret. Gurus who take worldly fame to be primary, who do not have the transmission or Upadesha, and who are stuck up in pride, will fall onto the blazing needle of the Vajra. They do not have the Upadesha of the oral transmission, and they teach the Upadesha on secrets erroneously. Their time of death will come quickly. Need the Vajra hell even be mentioned? One who is just a child, who has been well examined, will make requests and work to please, and upon examination will be taught a reliable vision for offering gifts, and then be introduced to the significance of luminescent wisdom. There is no duality between our methods themselves and precious jewels, and we may not have understood the two parts that we have been imparted. But when we are imparted with the empowerment of the vase of royal investiture, we will encounter the significance of self-arising awareness. The illuminator is presented as a blazing jewel. We use an explanation that does not employ sound to give the Upadesha of truly holding to wisdom. In the mirror of self-luminous awareness, we give the Upadesha for being undisturbed. After we have reliably taught everything, without stopping, we give the instructions for cleansing the awareness. After they have determined their object to be the meaning of the self-luminescence of the mind, we give the instructions on the spells we do not part from. Self-originating wisdom does not deceive, so we give the Upadesha of being like a pond of water.